Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play NCAA Football 14 on your PC. First, you'll need to download and install a PlayStation 3 emulator, such as RPCS3. This software allows your computer to run PS3 games. Next, ensure you have a legal copy of the NCAA Football 14 game file. Once installed, we'll walk through the initial setup steps to get your emulator ready for gameplay, ensuring a smooth experience right from the start. Now that your emulator is set up, it's time to install the game. You'll add your NCAA Football 14 game file directly into the RPCS3 interface. After that, we'll dive into the graphics settings. You can often enhance the game's appearance and performance by adjusting resolutions and other visual options. Finally, we'll configure your controller, making sure every button is mapped correctly for an authentic and enjoyable gaming session. To ensure the best possible experience, let's optimize your system. Within RPCS3, there are specific settings you can tweak, like PPU and SBU decoders, to improve game stability and reduce lag. It's also crucial to keep your graphics drivers updated. This often provides significant performance boosts. Lastly, remember to close any unnecessary background applications before playing, as this frees up valuable system resources for the game. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues, but don't worry. Online communities and forums are excellent resources for troubleshooting common problems. If a specific setting isn't working, try experimenting with alternatives within the emulator. Once everything is running smoothly, you can even explore community-made roster updates and mods to enhance your gameplay. Get ready to hit the field and enjoy NCAA Football 14 on your PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.